Data's everywhere, but getting insights shouldn't be a headache, so let's dive into what you need to know about Tableau Cloud. Tableau Cloud is Tableau's fully hosted, cloud-based analytics platform. This means all your dashboards, data sources, and analyses live online, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Think of it as analytics on demand. One of the biggest perks, accessibility. You can view and interact with your dashboards on any device, your laptop, tablet, even your phone. No more being tied to your desk to get key updates. Collaboration is a breeze. Tableau Cloud allows for seamless data sharing and teamwork. You can easily share your dashboards with colleagues, embed them in presentations, or set up automated data alerts. Let's talk about data. Tableau Cloud handles a vast array of data sources. Connect to spreadsheets, databases, cloud applications, you name it. The cloud infrastructure also handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the insights, not the infrastructure. The platform is designed for both ease of use and power. You don't need to be a data scientist to start exploring and analyzing your data. The intuitive interface makes it easy to create stunning visualizations and interactive dashboards. Plus, Tableau Cloud ensures your data is secure and readily available, allowing for quick decision-making. It's all about unlocking the power of your data, wherever you are, whenever you need it. So make sure you check out Tableau Cloud.